It's that time of the year again. The cold weather is finally starting to leave us, and with that, friend of the channel Mott & Bow is coming out with their brand new lineup of clothing and essential wares that you must have in your clothing collection for spring 2025. This spring, Mott & Bow has 3 brand new products in their collection: the Luxe Stretch Tee, the Tech Tee, and the all-new Tech Pant. So without further ado, let's jump in and unbox all of these and show you what we got here. First, I've got the Luxe Stretch Tee in size medium, color graphite blue on this one. Tech Tee, also size medium in charcoal heather. And last but not least, we have the Tech Pant. Now, funny story, I wear a lot of Mott & Bow products, but occasionally I do measure incorrectly. I ordered the wrong size. So the first pair of Tech Pants that I ordered was a 33-32. It was a little tight in the crotch area. So just a friendly reminder that you should always double check the measurement guides. And luckily, Mott & Bow has a great measurement guide on their website. It's very straightforward to use, very easy. You can do it yourself, no problem at all. And it will guarantee that you get the right fit. But I did end up getting a couple of pairs of Tech Pants in their granite color, along with navy, and also in khaki. So a full range, a bunch of great colors. Let's move into the try-on phase. So first, I just got home from a day at my day job at the office. I'm wearing a nice tan piece here with a white shirt tucked in underneath. And this is the navy blue Tech Pant, the brand new Tech Pant from Mott & Bow. Fantastic fit, as you can see. Now the Tech Pant is a brand new product in Mott & Bow's lineup. It corresponds and complements what they already have in their chinos and their denim line. It's an 8% Sarona yarn material, so very stretchy, just like all of their other products. You can wear these for just about any use case, office to the weekend. They're extremely versatile and very comfortable. There's 5 colors available. As I mentioned, I have the navy blue, the granite, and the khaki, and these pair great with my business outfit, but also with more casual stuff as well. They're very, very easy to wear and very comfortable, very form-fitting, very flattering. There's 2 traditional pockets at the front that have a nice mesh netting on the inside of them, which is kind of akin to what you might see in a bathing suit. But this is extremely comfortable and it doesn't cause any irritation or anything on the legs as you go throughout the day. It's very soft, very natural feeling. It also has on one side a nice little zip pocket so you can slide a card, credit card or something in there, keep it tight, tucked away, doesn't take up any space in your other pockets. So this is great. I can throw a car key in there, still have my phone in the other pocket. Okay, nothing's gonna jingle or scratch together. Love to see that. The Tech Pant also has a hidden elastic waistband, so you get about an inch of extra room as you fit them on. So lots of room to stretch into as the day goes on. Even if you're a little bit bloated, say, you can absolutely still be comfortable wearing these, not a problem. And just like a traditional pair of chinos, which makes these perfect for office wear, which I absolutely intend to use them for, they have 2 back pockets as well, button up, very flattering, very formal, but also not to the point where you're wearing like a dress pant. Very easy to wear. You can absolutely style with this with a bunch of different pieces. And that's what we're gonna do right now with some of Mott & Bow's other brand new additions to their lineup this year. First, we'll pair the Tech Pant with the Tech Tee. Again, this is a size medium, and I've got it in charcoal heather color. There's 5 colors available in total in the Tech Tee line, and the Tech Tee blends performance and style together. It's comfortable, it's stylish, it gives you that great look and feel, and still retains that classic, expected Mott & Bow stretch. So you can absolutely wear this and be comfortable all day long. The neckline sits flat, which is very nice. It's a sleek finish on here. Very well fitting on the arms, in the chest. All in all, a great piece. This is definitely more casual, I would say, than what you might have come to expect with other Mott & Bow pieces. However, it's a quick dry shirt, moisture wicking shirt, so you can stay cool, stay dry. You can be active in this, and I think that's really what it's designed to do. But as you can see, it still pairs very well with these more upscale, classier, dressier Tech Pants. And of course, you can pair it with anything from Mott & Bow's denim line. You can even wear it with their chinos. Extremely versatile. 93% polyester blend with 7% spandex for that excellent stretch and fit. And last but not least, Mott & Bow's brand new Luxe Stretch Tee in blue. 6 color options in total to pick and mix with. and a very competitive price of 85 Canadian dollars. This is Mott & Bow's highest end t-shirt in their lineup that they've ever made. It's soft, fits perfectly as expected, great stretch as expected, and has a very unique blend of materials that makes it just a little bit elevated, higher quality. Mixing cotton, modal, and spandex jersey, it's the perfect blend for not just great touch and feel, but of course great fit, finish, and overall comfort. There's a fantastic stitching finish on the neckline, around the armholes, and on the shoulder seams for that nice, tailored, sophisticated look. And with a slightly flatter appearance, it fits a little bit cleaner than the Drake's tee, which I love wearing and wear all the time. If you were in the market for a new t-shirt, this would be the more form-fitting one of the line. The Driggs is a more casual looking shirt, whereas the Luxe stretch is going to give you a more stylish look overall. If you wore a blazer on top of this, you would have an absolutely perfect night out outfit, or you can wear this with the tech pants and you're ready to go, no problem at all. But of course, just because it's higher end and classier doesn't mean you can't still pair it with a piece of denim from Mott & Bow's lineup, or even their shorts as the weather warms up further. This tee can do it all, and again, it's priced very competitively. Now that's a look at Mott & Bow's new additions, but of course they have dozens and dozens of products in their lineup for men and women of all shapes and sizes. Mott & Bow is fantastic. The products are extremely well made. The prices are competitive, and genuinely, I do wear their products almost every single day, and everybody compliments the style and fit and finish of Mott & Bow's products when they catch me wearing them out and about. Be sure to check them out at the link at the top of the description below, and you can use our code as always, Designer10, DESIGNER10 for 10% off your first order. What do you guys think about these new additions to Mott & Bow's lineup? What do you think of the brand overall? Let's have a conversation as always down in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you guys again soon in the next one.